My name is Rich Harrington from Understanding Adobe Photoshop, and today we're going to explore a companion program, Adobe Bridge. Now, Bridge is very useful as a file browser, but it has a lot of other capabilities that you should check out. Let's try it out. I'm going to go ahead and jump into a folder full of images, and you see we've got a lot here. And what I want to do is turn these into a contact sheet. Now, before I do that, I'm going to make a few selects. So I'll click in the folder once and press Command or Control A to select all images. I could then choose Review Mode. View, Review Mode. Now it goes into a full screen view, and you can go ahead and just use the arrow keys to step through the images. If you find one you don't want to include, just push the down arrow and it's dropped. And you can just quickly rotate through and decide which images you want to keep, and again push the down arrow to drop an image. And I'm just being picky and getting rid of a few of the choices here to narrow it down. If you want to go back, just use the left arrow. Once you've made it through, you could press the Escape key and you'll see that only those images are selected. Now, I'm going to click on the Output button here, and I've got the ability to do a few different output types. I'm going to go ahead and start off with a PDF file, and from the template list I could choose different layouts. I'm going to go for a 4x5 contact sheet and specify that I'm using US paper 8.5 by 11. I could apply any sort of password I want to protect the document from when it's opened, and set the number of rows and columns. Once I'm happy with that, we can go ahead and scroll down here and take a look at a few other options. And we can add page numbers to our PDF if we've got multiple pages, as well as custom headers and footers. If you want to see a preview, just click the Refresh Preview button and it will generate a sample document. There you go, a nice contact sheet, ready to go ahead and click Save to generate, which you could then email or print out for a client. If you want to make a slideshow, that's pretty straightforward as well. We can go ahead up here to the template and simply choose Fine Art Matte. Choose a paper size and specify that we want one image on the page. I'll go ahead and click Preview, and it generates it, and you see we have our matte view if we wanted to print this out as a book. If you want it to be more of a slideshow orientation, just change the page orientation and click Refresh Preview, and you see it does that nicely. Now, when you're all set, you click Save and it will generate the PDF. If you want to, you can also make a web gallery out of these same images. Just click the Web Gallery button and you'll see a variety of templates to choose from. One of the nicest are the Lightroom Flash Gallery, which then offers a few different styles, and I'm going to go with Paper White. If I click Refresh Preview, it'll build it, and you could see a simulated website. There it is. The user can choose which picture they'd like to view. It's all done in Flash. Or click Play to watch a nice slideshow. All of the text is customizable. You have the ability to enter your contact information, and you can even load up FTP information for where you want this to get uploaded to the web with username and password. This gives you a ton of flexibility to showcase your images to your clients. The Adobe Output module inside of Bridge quickly alleviates a lot of labor, letting you make contact sheets, slideshows, or web galleries with just a couple of clicks. For Understanding Adobe Photoshop, my name's Rich Harrington.